Hey everyone and welcome. We're from WeblineIndia, and today we're jumping into a huge shift happening in the tech world. It's the era of the instant app, right? You can have an idea on a Friday and a working app by Monday, but as you're about to see, that's really just the beginning of the story.
I mean, let's face it, the AI explosion has totally flipped the script on tech. At WeblineIndia, we see this firsthand every day. We specialize in everything from custom software and web apps to really complex AI/ML solutions and business process automation. And we've seen the barrier to entry for just creating an app practically disappear. But this newfound ease, well, it brings a whole new set of challenges.
And that really brings us to the million-dollar question, doesn't it? The power to spin up an app with a few prompts is mind-blowing. But does that automatically mean you have a scalable, secure, and successful business? As a lot of folks are finding out the hard way, it's not quite that simple.
This is where we run into a problem we've started calling the AI ceiling. Think of it like an invisible wall you hit when those fast, easy AI-generated solutions start to buckle under the pressure of the real world.
Okay, so you've used an AI builder. You've got a working prototype, and it proves your concept. Awesome. But is it a real product? Is it ready for prime time to handle thousands or even millions of users? Let's dig into what really separates the two.
It all comes down to purpose. A prototype is built to answer one simple question. Can this work? It's all about speed and testing an idea. But a real product? That's engineered to answer a much bigger question. Can this win? It's not just about features. It's about building a fortress of scale, security, and performance that can actually dominate a market.
So, to put it simply, the AI ceiling is that heart-stopping moment when your AI-built app, the one that worked perfectly for 10 users, just completely falls apart under the weight of 10,000. It's where the dream of a one-click solution shatters against the hard reality of engineering a real business.
And when you hit that ceiling, oh boy, the problems start piling up. You get this thing we call spaghetti AI code, a tangled mess that's a nightmare to maintain. You get an app that just can't scale. Critical security and compliance needs like GDPR or HIPAA are often totally overlooked. And the real kicker? The AI can't build the unique secret sauce business logic that actually makes your business special.
Okay, so if going all in on AI builders leads to this ceiling, what's the path forward? Well, it's not about ditching AI altogether. It's about using it smarter. This is where a hybrid approach changes the game.
You hear this debate all the time, right? Is it a battle between automated efficiency and human expertise? Do you have to choose a side?
The answer is a definite no, and this is the real aha moment. The future isn't AI replacing humans, it's AI augmenting them. The most powerful solutions combine the raw speed of a machine with the strategic wisdom of expert engineers. Here's how a hybrid process works. First, you use AI as a co-pilot to accelerate development, letting it handle all the repetitive coding tasks in a flash. But then, expert human engineers take the wheel for the critical parts, the architecture, the security, and your unique business logic. And finally, every single line of code is validated to make sure it's rock solid and ready for enterprise-level scale.
And this is how you make that critical leap. It's how you go from a minimum viable product to a true market leader. It's how you turn a great idea into a lasting, valuable business asset.
Now let's talk money, because this is huge. This chart breaks down the total cost of ownership. AI builders look super cheap up front, right? Low initial cost. But the long-term costs of fixing, scaling, and maintaining them can be astronomical. A custom hybrid approach might have a bigger initial investment, but its total cost is often far lower because you're building a stable, scalable, and secure foundation from day one.
So if you're a founder or a business leader, what are the key things to remember? First, don't ever mistake speed for stability. Second, focus on the long-term ROI, not just the upfront cost. Third, make security a day-one priority, not a later problem. And finally, embrace a hybrid model. Use AI as a tool, but rely on human experts for the strategy that will actually set you apart.
You know, that old move fast and break things mentality is evolving. The new mantra is build fast and scale right. It's about making smart architectural decisions today to ensure your business doesn't just survive, but truly thrives tomorrow.
This quote just captures it perfectly. An AI can follow instructions and generate code, sure, but it takes human understanding, empathy, and strategic foresight to craft a true business solution.
So if you're ready to build something that lasts, something that can smash right through that AI ceiling, we'd love to continue the conversation. You can find more of our insights over at WeblineIndia.com or reach out to us directly at our email.
And of course, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates just like this.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope this gave you some clarity on how to navigate this exciting new era of development. If you found this valuable, please give it a like, share it with another founder, and follow for more. We'll see you next time.